Alright guys, it is the second part of this chapter, coal and petroleum. If you haven't seen the first part, I will provide the link in the description box. In this video, we are going to talk about coal. Let's start. First, see what is the definition of coal. Coal is a fossil fuel which is brownish black, hard and combustible substance. It is a type of sedimentary rock. The place where coal is found is known as coal beds or coal seams. Chemically, coal is a mixture of carbon and hydrogen, and it also contains small amounts of oxygen, nitrogen, sulfur, and it also has some impurities. And the process by which is obtained is mining. Let's see why is coal used. What are the uses of coal? It is used as a fuel to cook food, to generate electricity in thermal power plant. The thermal power plant are the places where electricity is generated by heating the coal. It is used as a source of energy in many industries like cement, paper, steel, etc. It is also used for making useful products like coke, coal tar and coal gas. We will discuss about them in this video. Let's see how is coal formed, or how was coal formed millions and millions of years ago. It took millions and millions of years to form coal. Millions of years ago, when the plants and trees got buried into the soil due to different natural calamities like earthquake, volcanic eruptions, landslides, and with other some regions. Under extreme heat and pressure and in anaerobic conditions, the cellulosic material got converted into coal. This process is called carbonization. We can define carbonization as anaerobic degradation of trees and plants under extreme heat and pressure. You can refer to this image that how was coal formed. Let's see what are the different types of coal. We can classify coal into four main types according to the amount of carbon present in them. The first is anthracite. It is a metamorphic rock, not a sedimentary rock. Anthracite is a metamorphic rock which contains about 90% of carbon, and it is shiny black in color and it is very hard. It cannot break easily. The second type is bituminous, or we can say it black coal. It is the coal which is used in household purposes. It contains about 70% of carbon and it is black in color and breaks easily. The third type is lignite. It contains about 50% of carbon and it is brown in color and breaks easily. Fourth type is peat. That is, it contains 35% of carbon and it is yellowish brown in color. The best quality of coal is anthracite and the worst quality of coal is known to be peat. There is a term destructive distillation of coal. Let's understand what is it. What is it? Destructive distillation of coal means anaerobic decomposition of coal. Means when coal is heated in limited amount of air, it produces many useful things like coal, coal gas and coal tar. It is called destructive distillation of coal. First understand what is coke. Coke is made by destructive distillation of coal, as you know, and it is grayish black colored powder. It is better fuel than coal as it produces more heat than coal and have a low ignition temperature. Low ignition temperature means it can catch fire easily than coal. When coal is heated in limited amount of oxygen, then the volatile impurities and moisture gets removed and it forms coal, which contains about 98% of carbon. It is a smokeless fuel, means it produces less smoke than the coal. Let's see what are the uses of coke. It is used in the extraction of iron and other metals from the ores in factories. It is also used for preparation of other fuel gases like producer gas, which is a mixture of nitrogen, carbon monoxide and hydrogen. I repeat, producer gas is a mixture of nitrogen, carbon monoxide, and hydrogen gas. And water gas, which is another fuel, is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen. Let's move ahead and see what is coal gas. Coal gas is a mixture of hydrogen, methane, carbon monoxide, and some other gases. Coal gas is a mixture of hydrogen, methane, carbon monoxide, and some other gases. It is also prepared by destructive distillation of coal. Let's see what are the uses of coal gas. It is used as an industrial fuel because it produces a lot of heat on burning. In earlier times, it was also used for street lighting as it produces luminous flame. Let's see what is coal tar. It is a dark, black, and oily liquid. It has very unpleasant smell. In olden times, it was used for making metallic rods, but nowadays it is replaced by bitumen. What are the uses of coal tar? It is used to make inks, dyes, and also used for making detergent, insecticides. Let's see some important facts about coal. The Industrial Revolution of 18th century means the Industrial Revolution started in the 8th century was based on coal, which was used to power the steam engines at that time. The burning of coal is a major cause of air pollution today, as when coal is burnt, it produces carbon dioxide, nitrogen dioxide, sulfur dioxide, and smoke. Carbon dioxide is a greenhouse gas and it causes global warming. Global warming means the increase in temperature of the earth. And nitrogen dioxide and sulfur dioxide are the cause for acid rain, as they mix with the water of rain and makes it acidic, which causes acid rain. Also, nitrogen dioxide smoke mixes with fog to make smog. Smog is a mixture of smoke and fog. Smoke is dangerous for the respiratory system, so it causes respiratory problems. As coal is obtained by mining, there are some diseases caused due to coal mining, and they are found in the workers of coal mining. There is a disease named pneumoconiosis. P is silent. Pneumoconiosis is a dangerous lung disease caused due to inhalation of particles. As coal mining produces the particles of coal to fly, the workers inhale and they get this disease named pneumoconiosis. It is also called black lung disease. The second reason why coal mining is dangerous is in the process of coal mining, a lot of workers die every year because of suffocation under the coal mines and landslides, pneumoconiosis, and many other reasons. Coal mining leads to adverse effect on the environment, as when coal is mined, the dust particles go in the environment and it also changes the soil profile. Thank you guys for watching this video. If you want to contact me, my email ID and website are given on the screen. You can contact me. Also, I will provide the link of this PDF in the description. You can download it from here for your revision. Thank you.